You wanna know what time is it right now? It's about 3 o'clock. The best time to do music for me is about this time. You can hear it in the background. So I got this track coming out pretty soon.
Your side, your C-boy, drop the beat. It's a new collaboration with your brother Hair and C-boy Rider on the beat. Let's go. Special shout out to all the musicians came before us. Let's get it, let's get it, let's go.